Right, part 3 of chapter 2, complex numbers in MFP1, AS level maths. You know in basic algebra that you can multiply out two brackets in order to form a quadratic. Well, you can do the same for complex numbers. So, well, if I had x minus 2, you would know that that is x squared minus 2x plus 4, which is x squared minus 4x plus 4. Okay, and this exactly the same applies when you're dealing with complex numbers. So if I was to give you this complex number, 4 plus I, 7 minus 2i. Okay, so start off by multiplying out the first term by 4 by 7, so you're going to get 28. Then you do the same, 4 times by minus 2i, which will give you minus 8i. Then you times the I by the 7, which is add 7i. And then you times the I by minus 2i, which gives us minus 2i squared. Hang on a minute, we can simplify this down. We learned that I squared was equal to minus 1 in the first part. So we could say that that is the same as 28 minus I. We're gathering the minus 8i, add the 7i term together. But minus 2 times by minus 1, which is what I squared is equal to, will give us plus 2. Okay? So then you're just going to add 2 onto the 28, so you get 30 minus I. And that is basically that multiplied out. Okay. I'll give you one more example just to show you. So 3 plus 4i, 5 minus 3i. Okay, I'm going to just show you this one. So do 3 times 5, which is 15. 3 times by minus 3i is minus 9i. Do 4i multiplied by 5, which is add 20i. Do 4i multiplied by minus 3i, which is minus 12i squared. Okay, so gather all your I terms together. So you've got 15, add 11i, but hang on a minute, I squared is minus 1, so minus 1 times by minus 12 is plus 12. Okay. So then 15 add 12 is 27, and then the i's you've already simplified, so add 11i, and that's basically that multiplied out. And that's the basics of multiplying out two complex numbers when you're multiplying them together.